Qingdao Penoda Electrical Company Limited is a technology-driven enterprise specializing in the research, development, production, and global service of advanced EV charging stations. Since its establishment, Penoda has remained committed to technological innovation, intelligent manufacturing, and premium quality for the worldwide market. Penoda is powered by multiple specialized R&D teams, including industrial design, structure engineering, power electronics, and software and hardware development teams. Backed by numerous independent intellectual property rights and technical patents, we continuously transform cutting-edge technology into reliable commercial products. All production lines are equipped with advanced German-imported equipment, ensuring high efficiency, stability, and precision at every stage. All Penoda products are certified by CE, IEC, and other global authorities, ensuring compliance in multiple markets worldwide. From strict component selection to intelligent testing procedures, every charging station is built under rigorous international quality standards. Since 2021, our engineers have accumulated extensive experience in the R&D and mass production of European and American standard EV charging stations. Penoda offers complete OEM and ODM services, supporting customized appearance hardware configuration, branding, and firmware solutions. In addition, we independently develop smart app software platforms for real-time monitoring, data management, and intelligent operation of charging stations. With strong production capacity and flexible customization capabilities, Penoda serves customers across Europe, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Africa, and the Americas. More than a manufacturer, Penoda is a trusted global partner accelerating the future of clean and intelligent electric mobility.